We have started with an elephant knot. It goes around the tree and then to the other side. And we're going to use this to tie our support strut. We'll do that again. We're going underneath the wood, over, and we're going to start building it up. For the main construction, we've weaved hazel and ash over and under the rope that's lying on top of the piece of wood, and we are just filling in the extra areas, like the spaces between, with some bamboo and some bamboo leaves because we've got so much bamboo, and also some of the hazel leaves. So it's looking quite good. So I think we've finished for today. If we wanted to make it thicker, if we were going to stay in it, we'd add some more leaf cover. But it's just a bit of fun, really. There we go.